The civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the state of California, effective from 8:15 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a fire has occurred at the Glenn Anderson Freeway in central Los Angeles. A truck that contained fluorine gas has crashed and the fire occurred. This has led to the release of toxic fluorine gas. Due to strong northerly winds, all residents in California must shelter in place. To shelter in place, barricade yourself and your family in a small interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.